I am Leaf Wild, and I really hope to meet you in person at one of these workshops. I'm doing take 28 of bringing my authentic self to you, and I think this is the winner. I think this will be it. This clip has only one purpose, and that is to give you a sense of what it would be like to be in a room with me. I really hope to see you at one of the workshops. They're going to be amazing. All right. Since you probably don't know me, let's hear from some folks who do. Leaf showed me how to love all of myself, taught me my darkest moments hold as much as my brightest ones. He reminds me of the essential fundamental reason I wanted to make art. Leaf introduced me to my authentic self. Through his acknowledgement of others' strengths, he tends to bring out the best qualities in those around him. Leaf has helped me become a happier person. Let's talk about conflicts that come up with masculinity. These are some of the most common ones. Navigating difficult emotions, speaking from the heart, connecting deeply with people you care about, finding supportive community, and dropping our armor. There's this really neat trick where the conflicts that we're working with are also the solutions. So it ends up that when we work on this stuff, we navigate difficult emotions, we speak from our hearts, we connect with people we care about, we find supportive community, and we drop our armor. It's what we practice together in the workshops, and truly don't be dissuaded by this picture. We're not usually outside. In this safe and sacred space, you get to explore what's under your skin. Hidden beliefs about what it means to be a man. Suppressed needs, hopes, and fears you haven't often shared. You'll stretch your heart in group discussion, counseling demonstrations, and rituals that drop you deeper into the moment. Each exercise is optional, an opportunity for you to decide how far to stretch your comfort zone. When you leave, you'll have challenged your norms, built stronger community, and shared empathy with strangers. Armed with new insights, you'll be able to connect with yourself and the people you love in a fundamentally deeper way.
I spent a lot of my life avoiding things that were difficult and kind of trying to solve my problems in ways where I was kind of cutting myself off from life. And so through this work I've been doing, I've been able to live a much fuller life, one where I feel more in control and kind of empowered to be the kind of person that I want to be.